for math videos, please subscribe and hit the bell icon right now.
Okay, so today we're going to start with factorial and the permutations example. So this will be 3 into 2 into 1, that is 6. 4 factorial is equal to 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is equal to 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24. So this is the way that we have learned for the factorial. Now we are going to see a few examples which will be solved on the basis of factorial and that are called permutations example. Question number 1. In this question number 1, it is being said that let us find 4p2. For npr, we have the formula n factorial upon n minus r factorial. So 4 factorial upon 4 minus 2 factorial. This will be equal to 4. Just a moment, because of humidity. Wait. This is equal to 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 upon 4 minus 2 is what? 4 minus 2 is 2. So 2 into 1. This is cut. 4 3s are 12. This is very simple. What do you do for the bigger numbers? Let us see one more example for the bigger numbers. For the bigger numbers, for example, number 2, 50 permuted by 2. What do you do for this? This is NPR, which is equal to n factorial upon n minus r factorial. So 50 PR is equal to 50 factorial upon 50 minus 2 ka factorial. So you are not going to find 50 into 49 into 48 into 47. Your calculator does not allow that. So what you are supposed to do, 50 factorial upon 50 minus 2 means 48 factorial. Very simple. So the next step will be, this is 50 factorial, 50 into 49 into 48 factorial लिख सकते हैं क्योंकि करना तो वही है 48 into 47 into upon 48 factorial. So this 48 gets cut. 50 into 49 is your answer. When you multiply 49 into 50, that comes up to 2450. 2450. This will be your answer. So whenever you have big type of numbers, at that time you have to just put down the denominator wala factorial. I'll solve one more question again so you don't have any doubt. Just wait. This is very simple to understand, but for the bigger numbers, you have a shortcut method and very easy to understand. Just pay attention. For example, it is given solve 100 P2. Now you are not going to find 100 factorial. Okay, because your calculator will not allow you to do that. So NPR has the formula n factorial upon n minus r factorial. This is what? N factorial. 100 factorial upon 100 minus 2 ka factorial. This is equal to 100 factorial upon 98 factorial. 100 factorial की जगह हम ये लिख सकते हैं 100 into 99 into 98 का factorial, because करना तो वही है 98 into 97 into 96. So 98 factorial and 98 factorial gets cut. 100 into 99, that is equal to 9900. This will be your answer. 100 P2 is very simple to solve. Just pay attention how to do it. Just write it down along with me. Just write it down along with me so that we can solve with the next sum. Okay. One more example we are going to solve. In this type of question, it is asked, as always, just pay attention. This is 5p5. Okay, this we are going to solve. 5p0 and 5p1. ऐसे है ना, कॉमन क्वेश्चंस होते हैं जो इसको बोला जाता है, ये वाला रिप्रेजेंट करता है एन पी एन को, ये एन पी 0 और ये है एन पी 1। होता तो ये आर ही है। ओके, करना तो सेम ही फॉर्मूला से है। कैसे? फॉर एग्जाम्पल एन पी आर से कंपेयर करो एन फैक्टोरियल अपॉन एन माइनस आर वाला फैक्टोरियल। ओके, दिस इज 5 फैक्टोरियल, 5 minus 5 वाला फैक्टोरियल। 5 minus 5 is 0, so 5 factorial is 120। 120 upon 0 factorial is 1। याद रखना 0 factorial is always equal to 1, ये हमेशा याद रखना, एमसीक्यू में भी पूछ लेते हैं प्रिय सर। So 120 is your answer. For example 5p0, तो 5 factorial upon 5 minus 0 का factorial, this is equal to 120 upon 120 because 5 minus 0 is 5, cut 1। Always np0 is equal to 1। याद रखना, यहाँ पे n में कुछ भी हो जाए, यहाँ पे अगर 0 है तो आंसर हमेशा 1 आएगा। याद रखने का ये। ओके, दिस इज सिंपल शॉर्टकट। अगर 5p1 है तो यहाँ पे क्या रहेगा? 5 फैक्टोरियल अपॉन 4 फैक्टोरियल। 5 इंटू 4 इंटू 3 इंटू 2 इंटू 1। यहाँ पे भी 4 फैक्टोरियल है तो ये कट, ये हो गया 5। इससे हमें सीखना मिलता है that whenever there is npn, ठीक है, आर की जगह n ही होता है तो उसका मतलब होता है n फैक्टोरियल। ये पॉइंट 1, ये तुम्हारा रिजल्ट नंबर 1। अगर होता है np0 तो इसका आंसर हमेशा 1 होता है, ये तुम्हारा फैक्ट नंबर 2। ये कोई भी नंबर हो जाए n का, ठीक है, 100 हो जाए, 5000 हो जाए, 6000 हो जाए। अच्छा, और एक बात, यहाँ पे हो गया np1 तो इसका आंसर होगा हमेशा n। ये तुम्हारा फैक्ट नंबर 3। अभी है ना, मैं एग्जाम में क्या करता हूँ पता है? मैं एग्जाम में बहुत बहुत सारे बड़े बड़े नंबर्स यहाँ पे लिख देता हूँ। फॉर एग्जाम्पल 100p0, तो आंसर तो 1 ही आएगा। लेकिन बच्चे क्या करते हैं पता है? 100 फैक्टोरियल ढूंढते हैं, फिर 100 माइनस 0 फैक्टोरियल करके ये करते हैं, फिर कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं। लेकिन अपने पास फॉर्मूला है np0 इज इक्वल टू 1। मैं आपको बोलूं 752p0, तो आंसर क्या आएगा? 1। ठीक है, इट इज वेरी सिंपल टू अंडरस्टैंड। फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ आई टेल यू 99p1, तो आंसर क्या आएगा? 99p1, तो आंसर आएगा 99। समझने जैसी ये तीन फॉर्मूला, npn इज इक्वल टू n फैक्टोरियल, np0 इज इक्वल टू 1, np1 इज इक्वल टू n। ये तीन फॉर्मूला बेसिक है जो टेक्स्ट बुक में तो दी गई है लेकिन किसी को याद नहीं रहती। सो जस्ट राइट इट डाउन, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट शॉर्टकट to remember the permutations. Please write it down. Okay, let us solve few more examples. For example, it is said 100 p 100. So this is nothing but equal to 100 का factorial. करने मत बैठना, खाली लिख देना. 100 p 0 nothing but equal to 1. 100 p 1 but nothing but equal to 100. इतना समझ में आ गया तुम लोगों को? ये फॉर्मूला के हिसाब से ही बैठ रहा है. ठीक है. I write the formula one more time. npn is equal to n factorial, np0 is equal to 1, or np1 is equal to n. This is very simple to understand and very easy. I will put big numbers over here in n, and in this formula you have to keep in MCQ. MCQ में लोग अपना टाइम इसमें ही बर्बाद कर देते हैं because they don't know the formula. If you people know the formula, then it will be very easy for you to solve. So these were the shortcuts. Okay. One more time I'll explain what is factorial. If you want to find 2 factorial, इसका मतलब हुआ 2 into 1. If you want to find 3 factorial, इसका मतलब हुआ 3 into 2 into 1. If you want to find 5 factorial, इसका मतलब हुआ 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Very simple. You have to put down all the numbers after the main number. 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So this is the way we are going to solve permutations. So by this we end our today's video.